In this video, you will get introduction to computer and its basic concept.
Welcome to JRS Computer Institute,
a unit of Maharshi Dayanand Computer Saksharta Mission.
Computer is an electronic device which makes our work easier, faster and reliable. Computer stands for Common Operating Machine, particularly used for trade, education and research. With the help of these characteristics, speed, accuracy, reliability, memory, cost reduction, computers are used in worldwide areas. You can see a picture of computer. A computer have CPU, monitor, keyboard and a mouse. First of all, let us see monitor. Every monitor contains a desktop. These desktop have wallpaper, some program icons. At the below, it is a taskbar. Taskbar contains start button on the left side. On the right side of the start button, it's a running program. The right hand side of the taskbar, it is a system tray. Now, mouse. Mouse have a left click and a right click, a wheeler click, and also wheeler revolves around its axis. A new one you don't know, that is dragging. When you will go on a file, it shows some properties. It is called as dragging. Cursor. When you write something on the notepad or the word pad, you will see a line that is called as a cursor. Now we can see a keyboard. Keyboard have numerous of buttons. First of all, let us see. This one is control button and alt button, and in the middle of these buttons you can see here the window button. This one is space bar, shift, caps lock button, tab. Upside of these buttons with the numbers, you can see the special symbol buttons are there. On the upper left side, that is the escape button, and the upper side of the keyboard, these are called as function keys, with the home keys on the right side. In the middle of the keyboard, you will see a enter button, which is very important, and arrow keys here, and last one is number pad on the right hand side of the keyboard. Now we will see the CPU, Central Processing Unit. You can see a picture of CPU from the outside. It contains a power button with the reset button, on the lower side of the CPU, you will see two slots. These are called as USB slot, also called as Universal Serial Bus. Just behind the USB slot, you will see two jacks. These are called as audio jacks, or for audio in and audio out. On the upside of the CPU, you will see a DVD writer. Now let us see the CPU inside view. The CPU from inside looks like this. It contains processor, RAM, ROM, hard disk and SMPS.